How to solve Roblox not sending two-step verification code. So if you want to fix or solve Roblox not sending two-step verification code, then what you need to do is first you need to tap and hold on to your Roblox application. Go with the app info. Now under the app info, you need to go with permissions. And under permissions, if you've not allowed the notification permissions, then you just need to simply go and allow the notifications, because this will block the verification code notification. So make sure to allow the notifications and make sure to allow the camera, contacts, microphone, and any other options. Once you allow the permissions, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your Google, or you can just go with the page where you're facing the problem and you will have Roblox help or Roblox support section. So search for Roblox support, tap on www.robloxsupport, and it will take you to this contact us information. So you need to enter your username, your first name, your email address, you need to again confirm your email address, and then enter your issue, the type of help category, description of the issue. And once you've written all of that, you need to go with continue, which is on the bottom. And after a few hours, then your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can solve Roblox not sending two-step verification code. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.